Hello guys, welcome to Linux command line for beginners. In this video, we'll learn how to use sudo command in Linux. The sudo command allows a permitted user to execute a command as the super user or the root user. It stands for superuser and it's a powerful command that provides elevated privileges for tasks that would otherwise be restricted. Sudo apt get. Let's take for a scenario we want to update our Kali machine. We'll do sudo apt get update. This command will update our Kali machine. So if we want to upgrade the Kali machine, we can do apt get upgrade to upgrade the Kali machine. Here, sudo give you the power to run apt get update with the root privileges, and also it gives you the power to run apt get upgrade with root privileges. To download the software, you use the command sudo apt get install, then the name of the software, VLC, any software that you want to download. You use this command to download it. Why is sudo awesome? First, it enhances security by limiting root access. You avoid logging in as a root user, making your system more secure. You can only get elevated privileges for the specific tasks you need. 2. Granular control. With sudo, administrators can allow specific users to run specific commands as root, giving fine-tuned control over system permission. 3. No need for full-time root. You don't need to be logged in as root all the time. Sudo allows you to perform just the command you need with elevated privileges and then safely return to your user level. One of the cool things about sudo is if you try to run a command that requires root privileges without sudo, the system reminds you to use it. With great power comes great responsibility, and sudo is that awesome key to unlock advanced control on your system. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.